Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and delete a repost on your TikTok app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start our video. For the matter, first thing first, let's go open up our TikTok app on our mobile phone. And once we have done so, this kind of interface gonna appear with the in the home section, right? So if you would like to delete a repost, let's say we will find an video, let's say we have found a video for us to repost. We're gonna go tap on this icon and we're gonna go ahead tap on this option called repost on the first. Go ahead, tap on it. Okay, you can see press and hold to share with friends, and you can see I have reposted this video. I'm gonna go to my profile and I'm gonna refresh it and go to this icon, repost icon. You can see we have reposted that video. Now go ahead, tap on it, and again tap on this share icon below, and you can go ahead tap on this remove repost option given again at the same, and go ahead tap on it. You have removed, your repost has been removed. Go back and you can see we do not have any video there. So this is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next